morning light on Savusavu, babe. Soft sea breeze calls your name my way. Barefoot steps on the golden sand. Kaleti, your smile speaks more than words can send. Island sun on your glowing skin. Savusavu beauty lives within. From the hills down to the sea, every heartbeat follows thee. When you laugh, Kaleti, the world feels free. Agilosi Ni Kasavu, shining bright, Kaleti Island woman, my heart's delight, eyes like oceans deep and true. Ooh, every wave pulls me closer to you. Agilosi Ni Kasavu, gentle and strong, my soul found home where you belong. Flowers resting in your hair, Kaleti, you move with beauty rare. Raised with love, respect and pride, village strength you carry inside. Your kindness speaks, your spirit shows, like the reef where light still goes. When the sunset paints the sky, Kaleti, even stars are passing by, just to watch you light the night. Agilosi Ni Kasavu, shining bright, Kaleti Island woman, my heart's delight, eyes like oceans deep and true. Ooh, every wave pulls me closer to you. Agilosi Ni Kasavu, gentle and strong, my soul found home where you belong. Not just beauty I adore, Kaleti, it's your heart and so much more. Through the calm and through the rain, I would walk with you again. Agilosi Ni Kasavu, gift from above, Kaleti, your eyes